our trusted engine oil factory. We produce high-gun performance gasoline and diesel engine oils, as well as motorcycle oils, delivering optimal protection and performance. Reduce wear, boost power, extend engine life. ODM Support flexible packaging options. Science-driven cutting edge additives for wear prevention. Extreme laboratory testing. Global standards. ISO certified, precision engineered. Competitive pricing, wholesaler friendly terms. Reliable supply chain, fast and efficient global delivery. China's premier lubricant factory seeks international wholesale partners. WhatsApp 86131395132277.